Hey, hello everybody, and good evening. I'm excited to bring to you today's sneak peek of OpenBOM for AutoCAD Electrical. This is Steve Hess, VP of Product here at OpenBOM, and we will be releasing in the middle of January 2026, in about a week or so, our latest ECAD integration, which is OpenBOM for AutoCAD Electrical. I've got a cabling, end-to-end cabling design here. I'm just going to click the OpenBOM Bill of Material button. I've already done a little bit of configuring about properties and things. I'll go through that in another video. And we're just going to go ahead and create a bill of materials. So runs that quick in real time. And you're going to love this. This is quantities, part numbers, all the properties, everything straight out of AutoCAD Electrical into a nice looking bill of material. So here we go. Quantities. Again, all the other properties, assembly codes, anything that you're tracking in AutoCAD Electrical, you can bring that over to OpenBOM. So anyway, that is OpenBOM for AutoCAD Electrical. It will be released in mid-January 2026, and I'm excited to bring it to you, and I look forward to hearing from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks.